Oh no. What happened here? Why are there papers all over the floor?
I quit. I am finished. I am done.
You quit? But we have not even started the podcast yet.
It does not matter. Look at this. I tried to write my notes for today. I tried 3 times. But my grammar is bad. My spelling is bad. I am just bad at English. I will never learn.
Whoa, slow down. Take a deep breath.
I cannot take a deep breath. I am too angry. I want to go home and sleep.
Listen to me. You are making a very big mistake right now.
I know. The mistake is me trying to learn English.
No, the mistake is not your English. The mistake is your mindset.
My mind. Set? What is a mindset? Is that a type of headache? Because I have a headache right now.
No, it is not a headache. Hello, everyone, and welcome to our podcast. I am so happy you are here with us today.
Hello, everyone. I am sorry I am grumpy.
Today, we are going to talk about something very important. It is not grammar. It is not vocabulary. It is the most important tool for learning. It is called a mindset.
Okay, I am listening. But I still think I am bad at English.
That thought right there, that is the problem. A mindset is how you think about yourself. It is what you believe about your brain.
I believe my brain is tired.
Let me explain. There are 2 types of mindsets, 2 ways to think. The first one is called a fixed mindset.
Fixed? Like, stuck?
Exactly. Fixed means it cannot change. People with a fixed mindset think, I am smart or I am stupid. They think, I'm good at music or I am bad at music. They think their talent is born with them and they cannot change it.
That sounds like me. I think I am bad at English. I have always been bad at languages. Even in school, I was bad. So, I have a fixed mindset?
Yes. Right now, you are using a fixed mindset. You think your English level is a stone. It is hard. It cannot move.
It feels like a heavy stone.
But there is another way to think. It is called a growth mindset.
Growth? Like a plant?
Yes, exactly like a plant. A growth mindset means you believe you can change. You believe you can get better if you try. You do not say, I am bad. You say, I am learning.
But I am bad right now. Look at my paper. It is full of mistakes.
Mistakes are good.
What? No. Mistakes are bad. Mistakes are embarrassing.
In a growth mindset, mistakes are food for your brain. When you make a mistake, your brain has to work. It has to fix the problem. That is how your brain grows stronger.
So, you are saying, if I make a mistake, I am actually getting smarter?
Yes, if you fix the mistake, you get smarter. Think about a baby.
A baby?
Yes. Imagine a baby learning to walk. Does the baby stand up and walk perfectly the first time?
No. Babies fall down. A lot. They fall on their faces. It looks painful.
Does the baby say, oh no, I fell down. I am bad at walking. I quit. I will crawl forever?
That would be a funny baby. No. The baby stands up again.
And then falls again.
And stands up again.
Exactly. The baby has a growth mindset. The baby knows that falling is part of learning. But you dropped your papers, you made a grammar mistake, and you said, I quit.
Wow. I am acting like a baby, but in the wrong way.
You need to change your words. Words are very powerful.
Which words?
You said, I cannot do it.
Yes, because I cannot.
I want you to add one small word to the end of that sentence. A magic word.
Is the word please?
No, the word is yet. We-et.
Yet.
Say it with me. I cannot do it yet.
I cannot do it. Yet.
How does that feel?
It feels different.
Why?
When I say I cannot do it, it feels like the end. The door is closed. But when I say I cannot do it yet. It feels like there is hope. It means I will do it in the future.
Exactly. Yet means you are on a journey. You are not finished. Let's practice. Listeners, I want you to practice with us too. I will say a fixed mindset sentence. Jake, you change it to a growth mindset sentence using yet.
Okay, I am ready. I will try.
Good. Here's the first one. I don't understand this English podcast.
Okay, my turn. I don't understand this English podcast yet.
Perfect. Listeners, did you say it? Let's try another one. I am not good at speaking.
I am not good at speaking yet.
Excellent. One more. I cannot remember new vocabulary.
I cannot remember new vocabulary yet.
Yes, do you feel the difference?
I do. It makes me feel less stressed.
That is the secret. When you are stressed, your brain stops working. When you are calm and hopeful, your brain learns faster.
But I have a question.
Go ahead.
Is it really that simple? Can I just say yet and suddenly I become fluent in English?
No, that is the hard part. A growth mindset is not magic. It is fuel.
Fuel? Like gas for a car?
Yes, if you have a car but no gas, you cannot go anywhere. If you have a brain but no belief, you cannot learn. But you still need to drive the car. You still need to do the work.
So I still have to study grammar?
Yes,
And I still have to practice pronunciation?
yes. But with a growth mindset, the work feels different. It does not feel like punishment. It feels like exercise.
Like going to the gym?
Yes. When you go to the gym and lift a heavy weight, your muscles hurt, right?
Oh, yes. My arms hurt for 2 days.
Do you say, my arms hurt, this is bad? Or do you say, my arms hurt, my muscles are growing?
I say my muscles are growing. I feel strong.
Learning English is the same. When your head hurts because you are thinking hard, that is your brain growing. It is a brain muscle.
I like that. I want a strong brain muscle.
Let me tell you a quick story. Do you know Thomas Edison?
The light bulb man?
Yes, the light bulb man. He invented the light bulb. But did you know he failed thousands of times before he made it work?
Thousands? Really?
Yes. One day a reporter asked him, how does it feel to fail 1,000 times?
What did he say? I would cry.
He said, I did not fail 1,000 times. I just found 1,000 ways that do not work.
Wow. That is a very strong growth mindset.
He looked at every mistake as information. Okay, this wire does not work. Try the next one. He did not stop.
If he stopped after 900 times, we would be sitting in the dark right now.
Exactly. So, Jake, look at your papers on the floor.
My messy papers with the bad grammar.
Pick them up.
Okay. I am picking them up.
Look at the first mistake. What is it?
I wrote, he go to the store, instead of, he goes to the store.
Okay, now do not be angry. Be like Thomas Edison. What did you learn?
I learned that he go is one way that does not work.
Correct. And what is the way that works?
He goes, I need this sound.
Good. Now you know. You will remember it better next time because you made the mistake.
You know, Emily, I feel better.
I'm glad.
I think I was just scared.
Scared of what?
Scared of looking stupid. Everyone wants to look smart. When I speak English and I make a mistake, I feel like people are laughing at me.
I understand. That is a very normal feeling. But let me ask you something. When you hear someone speaking your language and they make a mistake, do you laugh?
No. I usually try to help them. I think it is cool that they are trying.
Exactly. Most people are nice. They want you to succeed. And if someone laughs, that is their problem, not yours. They have a fixed mindset.
That is true. I need to be brave.
Brave is a great word. Learning a language is an act of bravery. You are leaving your comfort zone.
My comfort zone is my sofa. I like my sofa.
Nothing grows on the sofa.
That is true. Only crumbs grow on my sofa.
We want to grow skills, not crumbs. So let's make a plan.
A plan?
Yes? How can we change our mindset every day? I have 3 tips for our listeners.
Oh, I love tips. What is number 1?
Tip number 1, hear your voice.
Hear my voice? I hear it right now.
No, I mean the voice inside your head. The voice that says, you are stupid, or this is too hard. You need to catch that voice.
Catch it? Like a fly?
Yes. When you hear that negative voice, stop. Say, wait, that is a fixed mindset.
Okay, catch the negative voice. What is tip number 2?
Tip number 2, add yet. We practice this. Whenever you struggle, add yet.
I cannot pronounce this word yet.
Perfect. And tip number 3, celebrate the struggle.
Celebrate? Like, have a party?
A small party in your head. When something is difficult, tell yourself, this is hard and that is good. It means I'm learning.
So if I am reading a book and I do not understand a page, I should be happy?
You should be curious. Ask, why do I not understand? Look up the words. Fight with the sentence. That struggle is where the magic happens.
I think I can do that.
I know you can.
You know, Emily, I think I am ready to write my notes again.
Really?
Yes. I will use a new piece of paper, and if I make a mistake, I will just cross it out and keep going.
That is music to my ears.
But first, I have a question for our listeners.
What is it?
I want to know if they have ever felt like me. Have you ever wanted to quit English?
That is a great question. Listeners, please tell us in the comments. Have you ever felt frustrated? What do you do to change your mindset?
Do you eat chocolate? Because that helps me too.
Chocolate is good, but a growth mindset is better.
Maybe both?
Okay, both is fine.
Thank you for explaining this to me, Emily. I really needed to hear it today.
You are very welcome, Jake. And thank you for being honest. It helps everyone when we talk about our feelings.
I guess even teachers have bad days sometimes.
Oh, absolutely. I make mistakes all the time.
Really? You?
Yes. Last week I tried to cook a fancy dinner. I burned the chicken. It was black.
Oh no. Did you quit cooking?
No, I ordered pizza. But I learned that I need to turn the oven down next time. I have not mastered chicken yet.
See, you used the magic word.
I practice what I teach.
Well, I feel energized. I am going to study my vocabulary list now.
That is wonderful.
And if I forget a word,
You just haven't learned it.
yet,
You got it. Thank you, Jake. And a big thank you to all of you for listening to us today on Everyday English Class. We hope you enjoyed it.
don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next episodes.
And please share this episode with your friends and family who are also learning English.
We have a question for you. Please leave a comment below and tell us what is one thing you cannot do yet, but you want to learn?
We'd love to read your answers. It's great to know more about our listeners.
Definitely. Thank you again, everyone. We'll see you next time.
Bye for now and keep practicing.